Hey there, welcome back to Health is Wealth. Today, we're delving into the world of skincare and exploring the incredible benefits of kiwi juice for your skin. Kiwi juice is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your skin health. From hydration to brightening, kiwi juice has a lot to offer. So let's dive in and discover how it can help you achieve that radiant, glowing skin you've always wanted. Kiwi juice is a powerhouse of skin-nourishing nutrients, offering a myriad of benefits for skin health and beauty. Rich in vitamin C, it serves as a fundamental component for collagen synthesis, a protein crucial for maintaining skin's elasticity, firmness, and youthful appearance. Vitamin C also acts as a potent antioxidant, shielding the skin from harmful free radicals that accelerate aging and cause wrinkles. Complementing vitamin C's effects, kiwi juice contains vitamin E, another vital antioxidant that works synergistically to protect the skin from damage and aid in its repair processes. Beyond its antioxidant properties, kiwi juice boasts hydrating effects, helping to maintain optimal skin moisture levels. This hydration is essential for a healthy complexion, contributing to improved skin texture and overall appearance. Additionally, the presence of omega-3 fatty acids in kiwi seeds further enhances its skin benefits by supporting the skin's barrier function. This helps to prevent dryness and irritation, promoting smoother, softer skin. Regular consumption of kiwi juice can lead to noticeable improvements in skin tone and brightness. The vitamin C content helps to brighten the skin, reducing the appearance of dullness and enhancing its natural radiance. These effects are further amplified by the hydrating properties of kiwi juice, which can help to rejuvenate the skin and promote a more vibrant complexion. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of kiwi juice for your skin. Incorporating kiwi juice into your diet or skincare routine can offer a range of benefits for your skin. Whether consumed as a refreshing beverage or applied topically as a mask or serum, kiwi juice can help to nourish, hydrate, and protect your skin, revealing a healthier, more radiant complexion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.